Timmy and Luff coming to you from the Luddenham Raceway, a brand new circuit southwest of Sydney, out near the new Badgerys Creek Airport. It's a fantastic circuit, lots of twisty bits, some pretty tricky straights, and we have an amazing thing called the corkscrew. So let's just take it for a lap and to see what it's like here at the new Luddenham Raceway. This is the corkscrew. It actually drops down, right down, hard braking at the bottom, big left-hander on the apex, which then leads onto the main straightaway. This is where we get maximum speed in our little Suzuki. Wow, what a hot rod. Up the hill and braking, letting it Evo go through. Let's just tuck in behind and get some footage. Oh, the brakes on this car, amazing. Oh, a little bit of understeer onto the back straight past the olive trees, on the ripple strips, all the way up. Hard on the brakes, and there you go. There's a lap of the brand new Luddenham Raceway.